Councilman Blaylock, Madam Mayor, members of the council, my name is Matthew Mucker. I'm a resident of the city of Fort Worth. I live at 3733 Monica Lane. I'm here to encourage the city to adopt a new ordinance as permitted by a law recently enacted by the Texas State Legislature. I'm a divorced parent of 2 children. Like most divorced parents, my ex-wife and I are under court orders to follow a well-defined visitation schedule with our children. Earlier this year, my ex-wife simply decided that she would no longer obey the court's order and refused to let me see my son for the visitation periods prescribed by the court. After suffering through almost 6 months of this behavior on the part of my ex-wife, I would like to share with you what I've learned about interfering with child visitation in Texas. First, my ex-wife's actions are a crime. Section 25.03 of the Texas Penal Code makes it a felony for a person to interfere with the other parent's court-ordered visitation rights. Second, this is a crime that is almost never prosecuted. The Fort Worth Police Department will do nothing to assist parents like me who have been refused access to their children. FWPD has told me that this is a civil matter, despite the fact that the Texas Penal Code quite clearly says that this is a criminal matter. This is common across the state. Most municipal police departments view interference with child visitation as a civil matter and not the criminal matter that it is. To be sure, there are civil remedies for estranged parents like myself. I can hire a family law attorney and spend thousands of dollars on legal fees and months of no contact with my child waiting for a court date. I am one of the few parents in Texas who has the resources to do this. There are thousands of loving parents across the state of Texas who are being denied the right to see their children in spite of court orders to the contrary because they live in municipalities where the police view this as a civil matter and lack the means to pursue civil remedies in court. There are parents in Texas who haven't seen their children in years because the offending parent knows through their own experience and the experiences of others that nothing will happen to them if they continue to deny their ex-spouses the right to see their children. The Texas legislature this year has finally recognized this for the issue that it is and has permitted municipalities such as Fort Worth to offer an avenue of recourse to the many, many parents who have found themselves without remedy from being estranged from their children. This law allows municipalities to prosecute the crimes in Section 25.03 as civil penalties, imposing fines on parents who refuse to obey court orders. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a powerful solution to a festering problem in our communities. The simple recourse of a small but meaningful fine would finally send a message to defiant parents that there are penalties for disobeying the legal system and damaging a child's relationship with his or her parents. I encourage the city to adopt legislation on this matter immediately. There are thousands of parents out there, like myself, who desperately want to see their children again. The state of Texas has failed these parents for too many years. There is an opportunity here for the city to do the right thing and help parents like me who just want to see their kids according to the rights the judges have assigned to them. I would like to see my city be a leader in this effort and be an example to other municipalities in Texas, leading the way towards righting a wrong that has festered for too long in our state.
Thank you, Mr. Mucker. Our next speaker is